Alright, so here's a how-to video on installing my version 2 magnetic paddles from stock. So same should apply for most paddle mods out there. There you can see the installed state. Here's the factory state. So we're going to take the factory cap screws out. We're going to reuse those on the static part of the paddle. Use some new 12mm long M3 screws on this side with the original washers that are on the factory screws. So super straightforward. 2.5mm Allen key, number 1 Phillips. We'll need our two 12mm long M3 screws, and then our paddle set. So we'll want to start by installing the static part, because that doesn't have the slotted holes for alignment. You only need that on the moving portion. When we're torquing these screws down, we want to make sure we're just using the little end of the Allen key. You don't want to over torque it with the big end. So we'll take our moving portion, set it on there, let the magnet find its home. And we'll put the paddle back on. Just start the first screw, insert the second screw. Good practice for anything you're putting together with multiple holes. And then without shifting this moving part around, you want to let that stay in its own magnetic center. And we'll torque these down. Again, doesn't have to be very tight at all. Just snug. And that's it. It's installed. Works great.